Welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'm Dr. Satish Polshettiwar. Welcome back to channel that empowers you for success in pharmacy and beyond. Today I am preparing the video on how to prepare for GPAT and their strategy, tips and tricks, smart planning and stress control man. So let's talk about this regarding GPAT examination, how to crack the GPAT exam with smart tips and powerful tricks. So GPAT is nothing but the graduate pharmacy aptitude test, which is the test which is conducted at national level for awarding scholarship to qualified candidate seeking entry into Master of Pharmacy, that is MPharm. From 2024, this exam being conducted by NBEMS, that is National Board of Examination in Medical Science. Earlier, this exam was conducted by NTA. So regarding examination pattern, so mode of exam is CBT based, that is computer based test. Duration is 3 hours and total questions 125 multiple choice questions for total 500 marks. So regarding marking scheme, so every correct answer there is a 4 marks and there is a negative marking, that is -1 mark for incorrect answers. Regarding results, result is always being available in percentile based scoring. And who is eligible for the exams? Pre-final year and final year B.Pharm students are graduate students who is eligible for these examinations. And the GPAT score is valid for 3 years. If even second year student also can apply, and that score is valid for next 3 years. Regarding scholarship, you can visit this website natboard.edu.in. So scholarship monthly you'll be getting after qualifications. Once you get qualified score, the PCI is giving 12,400 rupees per month for all the qualified students during his PG course. So regarding examination patterns, if you just see the examination pattern, the type of questions being asked from pharmaceutical chemistry and allied subject, total 38 questions for maximum marks 152. Pharmaceutics and allied subjects, total 38 marks will be there and maximum marks is 152. And pharmacognosy and allied subjects, total 10 questions will be there and marks 40. Pharmacology and allied subject, total 28 MCQs will be there and total marks is 112. Over other subjects, 11 question will be there, like from regulatory affair, from microbiology, from clinical pharmacy, hospital pharmacy, biotechnology. There are total 44 questions, 44 marks. Total 125 questions and total marks is 500. This is a syllabus, how it is breakdown. You can see the books, mostly for pharmaceutics, you can refer Lachman, Lieberman. For pharmaceutical chemistry, there's 38 questions. You can see the books, which books you are supposed to refer. Pharmacology also, you can see which books you are supposed to refer for this particular GPAT preparations. So let's talk about this. Stay tuned for this video.
Welcome to the latest GPAT update. There's a big change you need to know for 2024. The GPAT exam is now conducted by the National Board of Examinations in Medical Sciences, or NBEMS. NBEMS also organizes major exams like NEET PG and DNB, so expect a more clinical and professional approach. The exam will likely be computer-based, held at designated centers across India. To apply, visit the official NBEMS website, natboard.edu.in, when registrations open. Results will now be released in a percentile-based format, showing how you rank among all candidates. Be sure to check the official website regularly for bulletins and any syllabus updates. Staying informed is your first step towards success in GPAT 2026. All the best. Let's break down the expected GPAT 2026 exam pattern under NBEMS. You'll face 125 multiple-choice questions, all to be completed in 3 hours. Each correct answer gives you 4 marks, but each wrong answer costs you 1 mark. That brings the total to 500 marks, so accuracy really matters. The exam will be computer-based, held at centers across India, ensuring a fair and standardized environment. Questions will cover all major B.Pharm subjects, so balanced preparation is key. Remember, the official pattern will be confirmed by NBEMS, so always check natboard.edu.in for updates. Understanding the pattern is your first step to a winning strategy. Now, let's talk about the best reference books for GPAT 2026. For pharmacology, KD Tripathi is the gold standard. For pharmaceutics, go for Lockman, Lieberman, or Remington. For medicinal chemistry, Morrison and Boyd and Foy are your best friends. For pharmacognosy, Trees and Evans is highly recommended. For pharmaceutical analysis, Beckett and Stenlake is a great choice. And for overall preparation, use GPAT guidebooks like Pearson's GPAT Cracker, NIPER Aspirants, Handbooks, and MCQ books by Manish Malhotra, or the Nirali series. Choose the books that suit your learning style and stick to them for consistent revision. Alright, let's talk smart work versus hard work. Mental clarity equals exam success. Preparing for GPAT isn't just about books and revision. It's about keeping your mind and body in top shape. Start by practicing yoga or meditation for just 10 minutes a day. This simple habit can clear your mind and reduce stress. Remember to take short breaks during your study sessions to avoid burnout. Even a quick walk or a chat with friends can help you recharge. If you ever feel overwhelmed, don't hesitate to talk to your peers or mentors. Sharing your worries can lighten your mental load and keep you motivated. Now let's talk about sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours each night. Good sleep boosts memory, concentration, and overall performance. Avoid all-nighters. They do more harm than good. Try to stick to a fixed sleep-wake cycle, even during intensive prep periods, so take care of your mind and body. A calm and well-rested you is your greatest asset on exam day. Cracking GPAT 2026 is absolutely possible with smart planning, consistency, and self-care. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity to grow, and the change in authority to NBEMS is just another step on your journey. Stay focused on your preparation, trust your efforts, and believe in yourself. Success comes to those who persevere, and you have everything it takes to reach your goal. For more tips, strategies, and the latest updates, subscribe to Dr. Satish Polshettiwar Educational Channel. Join our community, stay motivated, and let's celebrate your success together.
Thank you.